Good evening. We're tracking numerous thunderstorms moving in out of Nebraska. This line farther to the northwest is starting to become a more solid line with strong winds being reported along that. We'll continue to track that as well as these storms out ahead, which are a little bit more conducive for some hail, and they're more individualized cells as they move to the southeast. This one southwest of Washington, moving toward Greenleaf by 6:22. We're tracking that to Waterville by 6:48 and Blue Rapids by 6:55. The computer is kind of indicating hail sizes up to 2 inches, but we have not had a lot of confirmation of them being that large. As it came through Nebraska, some ping pong to golf ball size hail kind of briefly reported, but I think the current radar view of it's maybe overestimating the size of the hail. Either way, we do have the potential for hail on the north side of Manhattan. That'll be moving towards St. George by 6:34. We'll track that to Wamego by 6:58 as it moves off to the southeast. Showers in central areas of the Potawatomi County area at this point not strengthening too rapidly. More storms over Coffee County and southeastern areas of Lyon County. Severe thunderstorm warning around the Burlington area will be expiring soon. 6:45 for Manhattan under that severe thunderstorm warning. That it goes all the way east to about almost the Wamego area, and then also over central and south central Washington County. Also this severe thunderstorm in that location with that cell. 87 right now. We picked up a ½ inch of rain overnight into this morning with those storms that did hold together for a while out of Nebraska. Northeast wind at 9 miles per hour. Starting to cool off up to the north, primarily under the clouds and the showers, with middle to upper 80s out ahead of the rain. And so there's still some warmth and humidity for these storms to fuel off of. And during the evening, the scattering of showers and storms will be spreading southward. A good chance of rain during the late evening and early tonight. Mainly a hail threat and then transitioning over to a wind threat for the storms tonight. Clearing out, though, tomorrow. And although showers and storms will be around tonight as we drop down to 58, we do realize that we have one of the early games of the season coming up tonight. And because of that, now what we're going to do is we're going to continue to monitor and track these storms for you. We're going to do our best to try to, when it's appropriate, to take the map out periodically. And we'll try our best to give you, first of all, complete viewing of the actual game itself as long as the weather cooperates on that side. So we are obviously mindful of that for this evening. But also want to tell you that we'll do our best to even try to free up spots on the screen. As we get the information out, we may be able to pull that back a little bit when it's quieter. Right now, that we do have warnings in place, and we'll be keeping that up for a little while to pass along that information as the weather's constantly changing. These storms are rapidly developing and holding together for a while. 71 on Friday. We'll look for a high of 70 by Saturday with a morning low of 47. Upper 40s again on Sunday with a high of 75. And then warming up next week with another chance for scattered showers and storms by Wednesday. There's a look over the city yesterday with those beautiful skies from Don Palmer. A look at the stormy skies over the city this morning, or near the city at least, from Larry Fisher, and storm clouds building up over the area of Coffee County from Terry Neal. And if you didn't get a chance to see this, those are actually the northern lights viewed from Jackson County last night from Jason Keller. So every now and then we get glimpses of it, and apparently many of us missed it last night.
That is a great photo. That's beautiful. It's almost so pretty it looks a little fake, but I know it's not.
Next time we're carpooling to Jackson County, that's quite the view.
It is.
Yes. Thanks, Matt.